What if I told you the secret to restaurant-style, crispy dosas isn't just in the recipe, but in the blender you use? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which blender will transform your dosa game forever. Today, we're diving into the world of dosa batter blenders. Whether you're a seasoned dosa chef or just starting out, picking the right blender can mean the difference between lumpy, uneven batter and that perfectly smooth, airy mix essential for golden, paper-thin dosas. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 blenders for dosa batter, reveal their strengths and weaknesses, and help you decide which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. Plus, I'll share a common mistake that ruins dosa batter and how the right blender can help you avoid it. Ready to discover your new kitchen hero? Let's get started. 5. Oster Pro 1200 Plus. Let's kick off the list with the Oster Pro 1200 Plus. If you're looking for a blender that punches above its price tag, this one's for you. With a robust 1200-watt motor and an all-metal drive, the Oster Pro 1200 Plus is built to handle tough ingredients. Think soaked rice and urad dal without breaking a sweat. The 6-cup Bora-class glass jar is not only sturdy, but also resistant to thermal shock, making it safe for blending both hot and cold ingredients. One standout feature is its smart settings, including pre-programmed options for smoothies, salsas, and milkshakes. This means less guesswork and more consistent results, even if you're new to blending dosa batter. The pulse feature is especially handy for getting that perfect, slightly coarse texture traditional dosa lovers crave. Cleaning up is a breeze since the jar is dishwasher safe, and the controls are intuitive, no fiddling with complicated dials. However, the Oster Pro 1200 Plus does have its quirks. It's on the louder side, and while the glass jar is durable, it's also heavier and can break if dropped. Another downside, the blade assembly can be tricky to reassemble after cleaning, and the jar isn't dishwasher safe on all models, so double check before you toss it in. For the price though, you won't find a better entry-level blender for dosa batter. It's perfect for students, small families, or anyone just starting their dosa journey who doesn't want to invest in a high-end machine just yet. 4. Ninja BL660. Next up is the Ninja BL660, a blender that's become a favorite in kitchens across the globe for its sheer power and versatility. With an 1100-watt motor and Ninja's signature total crushing blade technology, the BL660 can pulverize soaked rice, lentils, and even ice in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is large enough for big batches, making it ideal for families or dosa parties. What sets the Ninja apart is its ability to handle both small and large quantities. It comes with 2 16-ounce single-serve cups, so whether you're prepping batter for one or a crowd, you're covered. The controls are simple, 3 speeds plus a pulse function, making it easy to dial in the right texture for your batter. But there are a few caveats. The BL660 is loud, and its plastic pitcher, while lightweight, isn't as durable as glass. Some users have reported that the parts may not last as long as those on pricier blenders, and it can overheat if you run it too long, something to watch out for when blending large batches of dosa batter. Also, it's not designed for hot blending, so always let your ingredients cool before tossing them in. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ninja BL660 is a powerhouse for its price, delivering smooth, lump-free dosa batter with ease. It's a fantastic choice for home cooks who want versatility without breaking the bank. 3. Vitamix E310. Now we're stepping into the world of professional-grade blenders with the Vitamix E310. If you're serious about your dosa, this blender is a game-changer. The E310 boasts a 2-horsepower motor and hardened stainless steel blades, effortlessly grinding soaked rice and dal into a velvety smooth batter. What makes the E310 stand out is its 10 variable speeds and pulse function, giving you precise control over texture. Whether you want your batter ultra smooth or with a bit of grit for rustic dosas, you can achieve it. The 48-ounce container is perfect for medium batches, ideal for small families or frequent dosa makers. Cleaning is a breeze with the self-cleaning function. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, blend for 30 seconds, and you're done. The E310 is also built to last, with a durable motor and cooling system to prevent overheating during long blending sessions. The main drawbacks? It's a bit noisier than some blenders, And the container, while great for most families, might be small if you're making dosa batter for a crowd. The price is higher than entry-level models, but you're paying for performance, reliability, and that signature Vitamix consistency. 2. Vitamix Professional Series 750. If you're looking for the gold standard in blending, the Vitamix Professional Series 750 is hard to beat. This blender is a favorite among chefs and serious home cooks for a reason. With a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor and a massive 64-ounce low-profile container, it can handle large batches of dosa batter with ease. The 750 features 5 pre-programmed settings, including one for purees, perfect for dosa batter. The variable speed dial allows you to fine-tune the blend, and the pulse function is great for getting just the right consistency. The wide, low-profile jar makes it easy to scrape out every last bit of batter, so nothing goes to waste. One of the standout features is the self-cleaning mode. Just add water and soap, and the blender cleans itself in under a minute. The Professional Series 750 is also built like a tank, with a sturdy base and high-quality components that will last for years. However, it's not without flaws. The 750 is loud, and its wide jar isn't ideal for very small batches. It's also one of the most expensive blenders on the market. But if you make dosa batter regularly or use your blender for a variety of tasks, smoothies, soups, nut butters, it's a worthwhile investment. 1. Blendtec Classic 575. Taking the top spot is the Blendtec Classic 575, a blender that combines raw power with smart technology. With a 1560-watt motor, the Blendtec 575 can blitz through soaked rice and dal, delivering a silky smooth dosa batter every time. The Wild Side Plus jar design creates a powerful vortex, ensuring even blending and minimal scraping. What really sets the Blendtec apart are its pre-programmed cycles. Just press the batters button, and the blender automatically adjusts speed and duration for the perfect mix. No babysitting required. The 90-ounce jar is massive, making it ideal for big families or batch cooking. The blades are blunt but incredibly effective, so you don't have to worry about accidental cuts during cleaning. Speaking of which, the Blendtec 575 is a breeze to clean. Just add water and soap and run the cleaning cycle. The machine also comes with an impressive 8-year warranty, so you're covered for the long haul. The main downsides: the jar is BPA-free plastic, not glass, and there's no tamper included, so you may need to stop and shake the jar if ingredients get stuck. It's also on the pricier side, but the ease of use, power, and reliability make it a top pick for dosa enthusiasts. Final thought. So which blender should you choose? If you're looking for the absolute best, the Blendtec Classic 575 takes the crown for its power, smart features, and ease of use. But if you want professional-grade results and don't mind manual controls, the Vitamix Professional Series 750 is a close second. For smaller families or those new to dosa making, the Vitamix E310 or Ninja BL660 are fantastic choices. And if you're on a budget, the Oster Pro 1200 Plus will get the job done without breaking the bank. Remember, the right blender can elevate your dosa game from good to unforgettable. Don't let a subpar blender stand between you and the perfect dosa.